This is your mom, the microwave queen. Unless you gotta make broccoli and cheese. I have some Sargento baby Swiss I got. The cheese was, I think it was 2 for $6 at Acme. That was a wonderful, wonderful thing. This little dish I got from getting some Chinese food from down the block. Only Chinese food place in the area. I think in the whole city that delivers. I just warmed it up microwave. Oh, I just got this from the dollar store. Broccoli cuts, frozen broccoli cuts, TJ Farms, steams in the bag. 8 minutes, this side up. Awesome tasting. Gonna melt the cheese on there. Stir it up. Might not even need to place it back in the microwave. Got an extra piece to eat. Nibble on its own. I love the nibble on cheese, slices of cheese. There you go. And we can stir that up. I made some mashed potatoes. I got my liver and onions with special sauce without frying. I hate fried stuff. I hate frying stuff. Oh my heavens. Can you imagine? We just live without frying stuff? How healthy we would be all be? Gosh. Yeah, this has got to melt, this cheese. I may have to put it back and I'm out of minute. Yeah. And let me save this before it falls over to the sink. Delicious. Oh yeah, that's gonna melt just right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my heavens. Yes, we're gonna put that in the microwave. It's a little bit more cheese. A little bit more cheese. No butter. I put butter in my potatoes. Those are potato flakes. Oh my, I added a little water. Stir them up. Microwave them 2 minutes. Oh yeah, very simple. I'll prepare. Come over here. Microwave dish. Microwave cover. These are important, especially if you're making that nasty stuff with that nasty tomato sauce that disturbs everybody's tummy. It's bad for you. Oh my. That stuff. I don't know where we got that stuff. Oh, this is beautiful. God is working on my problems, and I will wait patiently on His perfect timing. Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart. And wait for the Lord. Oh, Psalm 27:14. Just said that in prayer with a girlfriend of mine today. My prayer partner, Gigi. Oh my, will I be able to put this on YouTube? It's got 3 minutes. I don't know. You can lay a certain amount of time. In my experience, I'm just learning though. So we'll go back over here. I'm putting this butter away. And the cheese. I might have another slice to nibble on. Yep. And I'll see you when it's done.